Good morning, everyone. So, children, yesterday I had given you a story to write down, okay? How many of you have drafted the story, Vita? How many of you have written the story? Vanshika written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Samiksha? Ishika? Say yes or no if written or not. Harsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samiksha has written. Harsh has also written. Good. Shweta?
What, ma'am?
The story, we never say what to our elders, we always say pardon, ma'am. We never use
Sorry, ma'am.
what, ma'am. I'm talking about the story writing. Daksh, have you written the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now who will read the story? Vanshika? Vanshika? Yes, Vanshika, am I audible or not? My voice is not clear. So you might be having some network problem, but even we are having network problem. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
you read out the story, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, begin. Okay, fine, Vanshika. Yes, Daksh, begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Begin, beta.
Now the father, an old man has had two daughters. He loved both of them. Once he asked them uh, that now both of you had completed your studies and you
Hmm.
are old enough to get married. So
Hmm.
what do you
Yes.
not want to get married now? After having this, the old man was very upset and asked his daughter that what is the reason because of which you both do not want to get married.
Hmm.
Both the sisters said that we want to stand on our feet and we don't want to leave you.
Hmm.
Hearing this, the old man experienced both happiness and sorrow.
Hmm.
But he knew it that if they get but he knew it that if they get married, then they will be very happy.
Hmm.
After thinking a lot, the old man get a thought that what if their future husband allow them to do jobs and their in-laws' house is also nearby.
Hmm.
He proposed this idea in front of them, and they agreed comfortably. After a month, they get married and live their married life happily.
Hmm. Okay, okay. It's a good story. Okay. Now see, whenever we write down any story, the story means it has to be in the past tense. Why? Because the story had taken place in the past, right? लेकिन आप जैसे कह रहे हो कि why don't you get married, the old man said to his daughters that okay. Now इसमें आप क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? You are using the direct and the indirect narration together. Okay, when you are talking about some dialogues that are spoken by the speaker and you are quoting those dialogues in a story, those dialogues they must be either in direct speech or indirect speech. समझ में आया दक्ष? जैसे the old man said to his daughters, comma, double inverted, why are you not interested in getting married? It should be like this. Okay? और यदि आप
Yes, ma'am.
indirect में लिखना चाहते हो तो the old man asked his daughters why they were not interested. Okay? I and you का एक साथ आप यूज कर रहे हो तो वो डायरेक्ट नरेशन हो गया बेटा. और डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट आई हैड ऑलरेडी टॉट यू हाउ टू राइट डाउन, बताया था ना. तो स्टोरी में
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
हमेशा जब डायलॉग्स आते हैं तो दे शुड बी कोटेड विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स, क्योंकि वो डायरेक्ट नरेशन होता है. और यदि डायरेक्ट आप इंडिकेट नहीं करते हो तो वो क्या होना चाहिए, इनडायरेक्ट होना चाहिए. और इनडायरेक्ट कैसे होता है, यू नो वेरी वेल. ओके, दैट लगाकर, या जो क्वेश्चन है तो क्वेश्चन वर्ड लगाकर. ओके, यस नो वाला है तो इफ वेदर लगाकर, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज द टेंस ऑल्सो एंड द पर्सन ऑल्सो. समझ में आया? यदि यू है तो इफ द स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग टू हिज डॉटर्स तो वो थर्ड पर्सन में चला जाएगा ना, व्हाई दे आर नॉट. ओके, व्हाई आर दे नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड, व्हाट इज what was the reason? Clear or not? समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. और हमेशा जब आप
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे डायलॉग्स कोट करें तो वैसे इनडायरेक्ट में नहीं आए तो सिंपल यू कोट देम इनटू डायरेक्ट स्पीच. ओके, कॉमा लगा के डबल इन्वर्टेड में वो डायलॉग लिखिए. उसके बाद किस दूसरे ने जो कुछ भी बोला उसको लिख लीजिए. क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'll just read this story. It was a good story. Anybody else who had made up a different story, who had written a different story? Anybody? Samiksha has written, but she is not able to. Samiksha, can you read out the story?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, read it out. Daksh, good effort it was. Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, it's a long story.
Okay, fine. Just read it out.
Ma'am, an old man had two daughters. He loved both of them. When he asked them to get married, then the elder daughter was so much beautiful. She had a fair color, and the little sister have a medium tone. Both of them had agreed to marry. In
Hmm.
this way, the elder daughter married with an rich landlord, and the little sister had married with a decent farmer. Once on the occasion of Diwali, both sisters had arrived to their father's house. The elder rich sister had given her father beautiful dresses and gold, etc., while the little sister had given him a dress of white and simple dhoti
Hmm.
kurta, and that she had made with her own hands.
Hmm.
The
The
father
younger
had
daughter. Hmm. The
the
younger
father had
daughter.
accepted.
The younger daughter had given, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then, beta.
Ma'am, then the father had accepted the gift of her small younger daughter, but had did not taken the expensive gifts of her elder daughter. Then they had returned to their home happily. Once their father became so much ill, so the elder sister had sent some servants to her father home,
Okay,
while the
had
little sister.
sent. Had sent. Okay, sended is no word, beta. हाँ, ठीक है. चलिए आगे बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए
Ma'am,
कुछ.
the
हम्म.
Ma'am, the younger sister had herself visited there and in her father's home, and the father had sent those servants back to his elder daughter. Then, after 2 days, her elder daughter herself arrived at her father's house and asked angrily that why he does not love her equally, why he loves her small daughter more than her. Then the father asked why she feels that he doesn't love her elder daughter and loves more her younger ones. The elder daughter replied rudely that you do not love me. If you remember, then on the Diwali occasion also you have taken the cheap gift of her little sister, but had not accepted my expensive gifts. Also, when I had sent some servants when you are ill, you had sent them back to me. The father replied with a simple smile, oh, my child, the reason behind all these differences is that your ego. You always try to show that you are a wife of a rich landlord. The way you had sent those gifts and servants was totally full of ego, and there was no feeling of love in your heart. But your little sister had gifted me the dress that she had made for me with her own hands. Also, she comes here to take care of my health when I was ill, not like you that send servants. It is because she loves me and knows what I needed is love of my child at this old stage of life.
Love of my children at this old stage. Okay. It's a very beautiful story, very good story. Uh, it's a good story, but somewhat some grammar mistakes are there. Okay. Now
Yes,
see, हाँ, एक तो वो जो मैंने बताया डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन, राइट, उसका है थोड़ा सा, है ना बेटा, और पर स्टोरी इट्स वेरी गुड. So now I'll read the story that has been drafted from the outlines, okay, that I had given you. Now you listen to the story. An old man had two daughters. He loved both of them. Once he asked them, what is the sweetest thing in the world? Now, once he asked them, what is the sweetest thing? This is what direct narration. So it should be what, comma, and double inverted to put the reporting words. Okay. Sugar, said the older girl. Now, sugar again, it has to be in inverted commas. Salt, said the younger girl. The older one, she said, I like sugar. Okay, that is the sweetest thing in the world. But the younger one, she said that salt, it is the sweetest thing in the world. Now the old man thought the younger daughter was mocking him. He said, if salt is sweeter than sugar, you had better find another home where the cooking is more to your taste. And he pushed her out of the house. Got it? अब ओल्ड मैन को लगा कि यंगर डॉटर शी वाज मॉकिंग हिम, तो गुस्सा आ गई. बोलते यदि सॉल्ट ज्यादा स्वीटर है, शुगर से ज्यादा स्वीट है, तो यू बेटर फाइंड सम अदर होम. ओके, देयर यू कैन लिव एंड यू कैन कुक द फूड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट. और ये कहकर द ओल्ड मैन पुश्ड हिज यंगर डॉटर आउट ऑफ द हाउस. क्लियर? आर यू गेटिंग इट बेटा, द स्टोरी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it was a beautiful summer night. The pretty maiden means this young girl. She sat singing in the forest near her father's cottage when a young prince who had lost his way hunting came to her. Struck by her beauty and gaiety, he fell in love with her and took her to his palace and married her. Now she was pushed out by her father. This girl, this young pretty girl, she was really very pretty. So now she did not had any place to go. So she was sitting in the forest near her father's cottage, and a prince, he comes there. He was mesmerized by her beauty. He took her to his palace and got married. The bride invited her father to the wedding banquet without telling him who she was. All the dishes were prepared without salt. The guests began to murmur. Now, see, this bride, who was she? The younger daughter of that old man. So she called her father to her wedding, but she did not reveal that it was his younger daughter who got married and called him. Okay, it was hidden. इट वॉज नॉट रिवील्ड. ये शो नहीं करा कि यंगर डॉटर ने बुलाया, सिर्फ इनविटेशन भेजा गया फादर को और सारी डिशेस जो थी वो प्रिपेयर करी गई एंड दैट टू विदाउट द सॉल्ट. अब जैसे ही डिशेस गेस्ट खाने लगे, दे बिगेन टू मर्मर. मर्मर मीन्स कुछ ना कुछ बोलने लगे, कुछ ना कुछ विस्परिंग करने लगे. Oh, said the bride's father, salt is truly the sweetest thing in the world. अब फादर ने भी खाया तो उनको बड़ा रियलाइज हुआ कि खाना में तो बिल्कुल भी टेस्ट नहीं है. द फूड इज नॉट डिलीशियस. It does not means no taste is there. So he says that salt, it is truly the sweetest thing in the world. He realizes his mistake and he thinks, but when my daughter said so, I threw her out of the house. If only I could see her again and tell her how sorry I was. And he realized his mistake and he was very sorry for throwing his daughter out of the house, and he wanted that his daughter should come back to him so that he might repent, he might say sorry to her. Drawing the veil from her face. Now, this daughter, the younger daughter, she was there. It was her wedding party, okay? But she had covered her face so that the father couldn't recognize her. तो जैसे ही ये फादर ने बोला शी ड्रॉ द वेल फ्रॉम हर फेस, मतलब पर्दा जो था है ना कवर करा हुआ था वो हटा दिया. द हैप्पी गर्ल वेंट टू her father and hugged him. Then properly salted dishes were brought in and all the guests ate their fill. Fill means stomach full. They had the food. समझ में आया? You got the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is the story. If you want to write down this, I can send you. And if you want to write down the different one, I'll send you the different. Okay. Or if you have written on your own, like Samiksha and all, the story is good. But some of the grammatical mistakes are there, correct them. And just see about the dialogues. Okay. Direct and indirect narration, it has to be there. Okay. Properly used. Clear, beta? And yesterday also I had sent you a message. The activities are to be submitted on 30th November. Got it?